Hi everybody, hope you're all fine. This is Atiq. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. In my today's video, let me discuss with all of you what is the use of final keyword in Java programming. So, how to use this final keyword and what is the significance of this? Each and everything I am going to discuss with all of you with the help of example programs. So, dear students, the keyword final in Java is having totally 3 uses. How many uses? 3 uses. The first use of final keyword is it is used to make the variable as constant. You know what is the meaning of constant? If you use the final keyword before variable name, for example, generally we will write int a is equal to 10. So immediately in the next line we can change the value of a also, like to 20. No problem, because a variable means varying, which can change. A variable value we can change at any time. But if you want to make this variable value as fixed one or constant one, then what we can do, before the data type we can make use of this keyword. Which keyword? Final, in lowercase letters. Final space int a is equal to 10. Now next line, if anybody is trying to change the value, immediately will get error. Immediately Java program will produce one error, because once a variable which is declared as final, its value should not be changed. So this is a normal. Like in C language there is a keyword const, which makes the variable value fixed, constant. Like that final keyword in Java works in the same way. That is the first use, to make the variable as constant. This is normal use. But the new uses of this final keyword in our Java is in inheritance. Where this one is used, let us see. The second use of final keyword is to prevent method overriding. This is very important, to prevent method overriding. The second use of final keyword is it is used to prevent method overriding. Now let me take this example program. Here in this program 2 classes I have taken, class A, class B, and in class A I am having one method named show. Class B also the method name is same, show. Now in one more class, so here let me give one name for this class. Let me give the name as in capital letters final 1. So this is the name of my class. Now in this I have implemented the main method. Now my dear students, you can see here I have created an object for the subclass with the name small b, and by using this object I am invoking this method now. Now whenever I invoke this b.show, now which method will be invoked? Can you guess? Whether subclass method will be called or superclass method will be called? The answer is subclass method will be called. Because subclass, when the superclass and subclass contains methods with same name, then subclass method overrides the superclass method, which means subclass method, what is the contents of subclass method? Show in class B. Only we will get this output, show in class B. Show in class A will not be executed at all. Control will not come to superclass method. Now if I don't want this overriding to happen, if I want to prevent method overriding, I can make use of this final keyword. Where to use this final keyword? You need to make use, for suppose I want to make this method, I want to prevent this method from overriding, because my subclass method is overriding the superclass method. So that's why what I will do, before this method name, make use of final keyword. That's all. Final void show. Now if you execute this program, you will get error. What error you will get? The method which is declared as final cannot be overridden. You will get this message. Java will return this error to you. So if you remove this final keyword, what output you will get? You will get the output show in class B. Subclass method overrides the superclass method. If you don't want this to happen, then we can make use of final keyword before the superclass method name. This is the second use of final keyword, to prevent method overriding. And there is one more third use which is very important, and it applies to inheritance only. What is the third use of final keyword? It is used to prevent inheritance. So the third use of final keyword is it is used to prevent inheritance itself, which means I don't want the properties of class A to be inherited to class B. Is it right? I don't want the properties of class A to be inherited to class B. So what I can do simply, for class A I can make use of this final keyword before. That's all. Final class A. Now if you try to execute this program, you will get error. What error? Class A cannot be inherited as it is declared as final. So I believe that you people got a clarity on the use of the final keyword in Java. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.